Good afternoon everyone on UKSN SN1. This here is something I've just bought. It's a taxi antenna, magnetic mount, and it goes on top of your car, or in this case on top of a metal waste paper basket that's pretending to be a car. So taxi antenna works on the same frequencies as the UKSN comms channels. So I bought it, I've tried it out, I'm happy with it, set it up with my UV82, and I've connected that to a meter that shows the amount of reflected power. So at the moment it's on UKSN1, don't know if you can see that. So let's have a look at the meter, and it's barely moving. There we go. Barely moving the needle. Now you want the least reflection possible, because it indicates the amount of power getting reflected back to the radio. If it's too high, it can overheat the final transistors in the radio. So the lower the better. So let's go up to SN2, and barely moving again. We go all the way up on the VHF channels.
3734041.
And again, it's not moving very much at all. That's all good. That's all good. That's all well within the parameters. Let's go up to 8, which is the first of the UHF, and it goes up to about an SWR of 2. And all the way to the top,
4.3,
which is the highest frequency, again just over the 2. That's okay. That's well within the parameters of the of the frequencies we use. So what can we do with this? Practically we can put it on our car, connected to the UV5R or the UV82, depends what you bought. And we can talk to each other in convoy, for example, out on the road. So if you try and use the UV5R with the rubber duck stock antenna inside the car, it won't work, because the car is acting like a Faraday cage, stops the signal getting out. So you need something outside, and this is the answer for our frequencies, a taxi antenna, because they're the same frequencies. You can also stick it on a metal tray, I don't know, a roasting dish or something out your oven, and put it up in the loft, and then you'll be able to use the radio much more effectively from inside your house. So anyway, it cost, well, the antenna on its own cost 14 quid, but with the mag mount and loads of cable, lots of cable, certainly enough for a big SUV, and just coil it up if it's a smaller car, it's 24 quid for the whole shebang. The only thing you'll need is an adapter for the plug, because it's oh, I can't remember what to call it, one of them, and you need a little adapter to go between that and your radio. So anyway, that's it. Taxi antenna. That's the answer for the UKSN channels, for a home antenna or for a mobile antenna. You stick it in the boot when you're not using it, and when you are using it, just clamp it on the middle of the roof and trap the wire in the door when you close it. It won't hurt the wire at all, because it's nice and flexible, really soft, flexible stuff. Right, that's it. This is Eric, SN 0320, also Golf 1 Sierra Lima Papa, my amateur radio call sign. That's it, out.